Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Here we start next life process, that is excretion in human beings. Let's start. Living organisms are one giant chemical lab. Hundreds of chemical reactions happen in our bodies between various molecules. The biochemical reactions taking place in the cells of an organism produce toxic waste in the body, and the accumulation of the toxic waste in the body harms an organism. So, the process of removal of toxic waste from the body of an organism is required. So now have a look on the definition of excretion. That is, excretion is a biological process by which an organism gets rid of excess of toxic waste products of the metabolism. The definition of excretion clearly states that the waste products have been made by the body itself and they are the products of metabolism. Yes. Therefore, egestion, that is the removal of the undigested food, is not regarded as excretion because it is not the product made by the human body itself. It's the leftover part of the material taken into the gut through mouth. Okay. So here I am mentioning some differences between egestion and excretion. Like egestion is the removal of undigested food through anus and it's a part of digestion, while excretion is a removal of metabolic waste in the form of sweat, urine and carbon dioxide, and it's a total separate life process. Okay. So all the time our body produces waste substance through metabolic activities. Some of these waste products are by aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide and water produced, by protein and nucleic acid breakdown, nitrogenous waste produced, and by certain other metabolic processes, mineral salts produced in our body. So here we discuss about form of nitrogenous waste in our body. These are urea, uric acid and ammonia. Well, kidneys are major excretory organ in our body. Except it, some accessory excretory organs are also present like skin for removal of sweat with salt and some urea, liver for removal of ammonia in the form of urea, and lungs for the removal of carbon dioxide from our body. So now have a look on this thing, that what is the need of excretion. Like excretion maintain correct amount of water and ionic balance in the body. Excretion removes the unwanted byproduct of metabolic pathways. Yes, if the toxic substance are allowed to accumulate, they cause poisoning. Yes, which slow down our body functioning and affects our immunity also. As we know, different animals have different organs for excretion, which depends on the constitution of the animals. Like in unicellular organisms like amoeba, they remove waste material by diffusion, while multicellular organisms use a specialized organ to perform excretion. Like in earthworm, nephridia are the main excretory organ. In human beings, kidneys play an important role in the process of excretion. Now have a look on structure of human excretory system first. Yes, excretory system in human beings consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Yes, as diagram shows, urine formed in the kidneys passes by a pair of ureters to the urinary bladder where it is stored until it is released via the urethra. Okay. Now we discuss about each organ of excretory system in detail. So the first and main excretory organ of this system is kidney. Okay. A pair of bean-shaped kidney is situated towards the backside of our body, just above the waist. Means one kidney on each side of our backbone. Okay. And the function of kidney is removal of nitrogenous waste, urea, from blood and make urine. For this, a renal artery enters each kidney which bring blood for filtration, and a renal vein leaves each kidney which carry clean blood away from the kidneys. Okay. Finally, kidneys filter the blood to remove metabolic waste from our body in the form of urine, and for filtration of blood and production of urine, nephrons are present inside the kidneys. So after kidneys, there are ureter, urinary bladder and urethra are also present in excretory system. As we know, the urine made in kidneys is taken to the urinary bladder by two ureters. So one ureter arises from each kidney and opens into urinary bladder. Okay, urine is stored temporarily in urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a bag-like muscular structure. Whenever it's filled, urine is released out through the tube called urethra. Thus, this is all about excretory system in human beings. In the next session, we will be discussing about remaining part of this topic. Till then, stay connected.